Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you this everyday makeup look right here. This is my go-to look lately, and I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot because they tend to get greasy and I want to make sure my eyeshadow stays put throughout the day. And then I'm going to go in with this Rimmel eyeshadow palette in the shade Brixton Brown, and taking a large fluffy brush, I'm just going to use that tan shimmery shade there to set the entire lid. Then I'm going to use the taupe shade there with the same brush and pack that on the brush and use that just through the creases of both of my eyes. This gives a little bit of definition, doesn't make the eye look too crazy or complicated, but I just like having a little bit of color and a little bit of something on the eyes for daytime. Then for eyeliner, I'm going to use this e.l.f. liquid liner, and this is my favorite drugstore liner at the moment. It's only $2, which you just can't beat. And make sure you wipe off the excess like you see me doing here. That really helps because this product can have a little bit too much on there and then the brush isn't as sharp. But if you wipe it off, you can make the brush really pointy and it makes it easy to draw a nice sharp line. So I'm just starting at the outer corners and drawing my two straight lines and then connecting that back, going about, I would say, halfway, almost 2/3 the way over my eye. Or I guess more like halfway. And then I'm going to fill in the little corners and make sure that they look nice and dark. And then once I do that, I'm just going to check to make sure that both wings are even and they look pretty good. So I'm going to move on to mascara and use my Lash Paradise mascara. This is my favorite, just easy drugstore mascara at the moment. I've been using it every day. For foundation, I'm going to use my Osmosis Performance Wear and my Lawless Woke Up Like This foundations. I'm taking one pump of each to get the perfect shade for me, and these two mixed together and applied with a damp beauty blender just give the most beautiful natural finish to the skin and are super high coverage. As you can tell, I have tons of breakouts to cover today, and it's covering them super quickly and super flawlessly, so I absolutely love this combination and can't get enough of it. For under eye concealer, I'm just quickly dabbing on a little bit of my Becca Aqua Luminous concealer, and this is in the shade Porcelain, and this is a really nice lightweight formula that always feels nice and easy under my eyes. I'm just going to damp that in with my damp beauty blender. That was a tongue twister. Dab that in with my damp beauty blender and then set it with my Mercier translucent powder to make sure that I don't get any creases throughout the day. And I'm doing all this with my damp beauty blender, of course. Finally, I'm going to set the rest of the face with my BareMinerals Bare Pro powder, and this is in this shade 04 Aspen, and this just provides a little bit of extra coverage. For bronzer, I'm using my Becca Sunlit bronzer in the shade Capri Coast, which is like my holy grail bronzer. It's super beautiful. I'm just applying it with this duo fiber brush from Real Techniques to get a nice bronzed look to the skin. And then I'm going to take it on the NARS Ita brush just to define my nose a little bit. For highlighter, I'm using this Kylie Cosmetics loose highlighter in the shade Santorini, and I'm using this on this fluffy Morphe brush, and this is just a blinding highlight. I've been loving using it every day, and I'm going to put some on the tip of my nose and then also dab it with that same brush in the inner corner because I love a good inner corner highlight, can't get enough. Then for blush, I'm using this Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon blush, which is a nice bronzy color, good for every day. And for brows, I'm using this LA Girl like slim brow pencil. I'll have the name of it listed down below in the shade Brunette. I really like it because it's a nice cool tone brown shade for my brows, and it has a really great high quality spoolie on the end, and it's super cheap. I just love this product. Then I'm going to set that with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And then finally, to finish everything off, I'm using my L'Oreal Less Chocolates liquid lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth, which is a great everyday nude shade and applies super quickly and lasts. So that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.